So have a lovely Monday and hard for El Niño. Yeah, thank you. Hello from Puerto La Cruz, from Tenerife, from Paradise. Very peaceful, quiet morning here after windy night, but still there's warning about strong wind from the government of Canary Islands. So schools are closed, offices are closed, and some cleaning is needed, you can see. But good news, I haven't seen any like a damage or something. This is just normal, you know. Old branches are falling down from palms. So let's walk El Niño and see the town. Happy Santa Claus. Playa Sant'Elmo. Still nice temperature of water, 21.6. At first contact is quite chilly, but then if you swim it's okay. It's my experience. As we can see, they took a warning about the strong wind very seriously. Even the bear is gone. Let's see amusement park. They had to remove some high attractions, probably. This is the damage, what I can see, you know, just leaves. Viva la música, maestro! Ahoy, hola. Lovely friends from Latvia, I think. Welcome back. Yeah, thank you. Wow, check this out. Christmas time is here. Niño. Okay, let's open it. You can give it, okay? And heart for El Niño. Yeah, thank you, Paula. Benjamin from Budapest. Jonapot.
Hello.
It's so good. Plaza del Charco is already cleaned. It's very warm, it's like 26 degrees. There we are, and yeah, as you can see, it doesn't look like any damage here. So good news from Puerto. Sleeping attractions. Viking ship still there. waves coming. Slowly. As you can see, the surface for him is very unpleasant. Sharp rocks. So big change. Yesterday big waves, and today, check this out, almost nothing. Let's see this special attraction in Puerto. Well, it's getting bigger and bigger. And they are installing a fence so people cannot come very close. Stairway to heaven. This is another kind of must-see place here in Puerto, I would say. This rock with cross and with this view.
Aquí, por mucho que si lo pongo para arriba, sí, sí. Pero tengo que coger aquí.
This is very special. I don't know if you can see, but I don't have any t-shirt. It's so hot here. El niño. During Festival La Mueca, some houses were decorated. So check this out, for example. Here. Nice details. Because it's about details. What do you think? Many times. Famous Kines. This is well known. Famous. Looks like symbols, probably, who lived there before, some trades. Fishermen lived here, probably, or still living, who knows? But this is difficult symbol. Who lives here? No. It's just for fun. Another one. So let's go to the beach. I can edit my video for you there. Over there. Best place for swimming.
Ah, okay.
So have a lovely Monday. It is beautiful view. I wish you all the best from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise.
Ah no, le scarpette no, non le abbiamo portate.
Viva Canarias!